In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Metal TV. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the Metal TV desktop app, and then here you have two options. First, you want to go inside your library over here on the left, and then you can either click on Import, top left, so it's going to be this button, and then you want to click on Import Video File, or of course you can import from Xbox as well if you want to. And then once you do Import Video File, you want to find your video, click on it, and just upload it. So you want to click on the video and then click Open. So that's the first way, but the second one you can also do is you can simply drag and drop things in here. So on my right monitor, you can see right now, I have a folder with my videos open, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this. There we go. As you can see, it says add your videos to Metal. You can just release this, and then it's gonna get uploaded onto Metal over here. So you'll just have to choose a game over here, and then you can just click on edit and share. And just like this, you'll then be able to, of course, upload it onto Metal.tv. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.